everyone, welcome back to Stuti Studio. I hope you guys are doing well. For today's tutorials, I'm gonna show you the easiest way to make these crocheted ribbon letters. Before starting, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. The first step to select the right font size. Adjust the size, or maybe you can write it down in a piece of paper that will make it more stable to work. The material list I have already attached it in the description below. I'm using this aluminium wire for the base. These are really easy to bend. Even with your bare hands, you can use any kind of tools as per your convenience. Now, simply keeping the image as a guide, follow the pattern of the letter. This process is really fun. It does not have to be perfect, as we will make the ribbon on the top. And the best part is you can choose any style or any letter and just perfect for a customized gift idea. Similarly, for an example, I made this one based on my name and it turned out to be really beautiful. And now let's make the ribbon. I'm gonna show you a DIY way of making the ribbon. You must have seen the ribbon making machine on the internet. The same concept we are gonna apply here and make something with it with the help of this hollow cylindrical thing. Anything can be used, for example this thread holder. The size of the ribbon will depend on the hole size. The bigger the hole, the bigger the ribbon gonna be. Take some wooden picks, 4 to 5, or toothpicks can be used as well, and place them on the tape on a regular interval and wrap it around the object like this. Look how simply you make this beautiful object for yourself to make your work easier. Now let's see how it works. As I chose the word love, I chose the red color. First, simply pass the one side of the wool from the hole like this. Then wrap it around the sticks like this, from inside to outside. Again, inside to outside. When you reach the first one again, just overlap the wool and pass the loop like this. Keep wrapping and repeating the same process. After some rows, keep pulling the bottom wool like this, and after a while a ribbon gonna come out from the bottom like this. Look how flawless it looks. You're just gonna try it once and see how flawless it's gonna turn out. Continue for 10 to 15 minutes only and get the whole ribbon. If you're thinking how to measure the length, simply add the letters from the opposite side and keep making from the other side at the same time. Once you're done with the complete letter, to finish it, you're gonna need a needle. Cut the wool and attach the needle. And remove it from the sticks like this, and you just have to pass the needle from all the loops like this. And tie a knot and cut the rest. See how beautifully it's done. So I hope you like the idea and the concept of making the ribbon. So this is how it looks like after it's done. Also, I made this really cute photo frame using the same concept. There are tons of ideas in the Pinterest. So do check it out and let me know how you like the video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. See you on my next one. Bye bye.